you guys are probably asking me, why the heck is he wearing a freaking hoodie? And why is it yellow? I don't even know why it's yellow. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Dudes and dudettes, it's your boy Augusto again, back at it with another video vlog. Anyway, so with that being said, guys, let's get popping on this YouTube video. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, before I actually do proceed with the whole video, I do want to say thank you guys so much for the people that have been recently subscribing. You guys are the best, and absolutely can't forget the OGs. So if you guys are actually OGs here on the Finessy lifestyle from the very beginning, if you guys have been watching our videos, let me know who you are in the comment section below, man. I need to know who you are so I could actually give you guys a little shout out, you know what I'm saying? The reason why I want to bring this up is because we are getting closer to 250 subscribers. I don't know about you guys, if you guys remember from the couple of videos back, once we hit 250 subscribers, we're going to actually do a free giveaway of a box full of merch that we have released with Finessy Lifestyle. If you guys want to win a little merch box, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your sisters, your dads, your moms to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Anyway, so let's go get this video started. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but if you guys are from Sacramento, are you guys ready? Like, honestly ready for the colder weather? Because, I mean, you guys are probably looking at me like, why is he wearing a hoodie? You know, it's not even that cold. Look, it wasn't that cold, and it wasn't this cold on the islands when I was there for 5 years of my life. So I'm still not used to having colder weather, and I don't like cold weather, but I don't like hot weather. I'll just see you guys in the next clip. I'm so confused. I'm just kidding. Alright guys, so it's been a couple hours since that last clip, but I got a haircut. I didn't get my sideburns cut yet, but you know, I'll just shave that off later. But right now, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're at Jack's. Me and Irene are going to get something to eat really quick, and well, I wanted to update you guys just a little bit because I've gotten a lot of feedback regarding the videos, which are the random videos that I've been putting out so far, and lately you guys have been liking it, but you guys don't comment down on the comment section down below, which is okay, but I mean, comment down in the comment section below, and do not forget to give the videos a like, because that will definitely, most definitely help out this channel a lot. I wanted to also say that, hey, it's starting to get a little bit chilly out here. And we're actually going to go and create a design for a hoodie. So, like I said in my last video, so far I have grays, but hey, if you have an idea on the color that you guys like to see or want us to make a design on, let us know. Comment down below. But as far as right now, we're probably going to go grab some grub, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to pick up my camera over there, but we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Quick little update. We didn't get to bring you guys inside with us into Jack's Urban Eats because the music was too loud and, you know, copyright purposes. It's not like I'm getting monetized or demonetized. I'm not making money at any of my videos right now, so it wouldn't really matter, but I kind of wanted to have a good practice because when we do become big, I'll just stop talking right now. We're actually here at Eco Thrift, you know, thrift store, shopping with your girl Irene, but we're not going to bring the camera over there because it's too big. So we're going to go move you guys onto the phone in 3, 2, phone. It's so hard to find clothes here. I don't know if you guys could even hear me. Alrighty guys, so we're actually here. It's been a couple hours, but yet again, we're here with the Finessy Lifestyle family, and we're actually gonna show you guys the new prospects that we have recruited. And yeah, I mean, just stay tuned and watch this. We got 3 people coming in. So in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Chevy. This is my 2015 Veloster Turbo. I have some Odon wheels with a little bit of a stretch on the tires, a muffler delete. Not too much going on, but I have a huge list of things that I would like to do. Hopefully you guys can be there to see the process. I'm really excited to be a part of Finessy life. I'm really excited about the family environment that it has, and to be able to have a family outside of my blood family is going to be really amazing to me. So.
Hello, so my name is Fernando Cruz. Ah shit, what am I supposed to say? Hello, my name is Fernando Cruz. This is my 04 Chevy Tahoe. Call it my big behemoth. So, you know, as you can see, we just got a few little things done here. Some chrome wheels, towing mirrors, little stuff here and there. I haven't done much, but so far I just put a K&N cold air intake, upgraded to AC Delco spark plugs, fixed the power steering, fixed the heater and the AC, put a brand new battery for the system. In which, let me show you the system. So I got two 12-inch Kenwood subwoofers in the back with a custom box, so when I have the seats in, the box fits right here perfectly. And then let me show you the amps that I'm rocking. So I got 2 amps in there, the Alpine for all the voice, so all the doors, and then the Hyphonic Zeus, which I'm pretty proud of, for all the for the subwoofers. And other than that, just fixing things here and there. I try to keep everything clean and nice, but she's a work in progress. So why I joined Finessy Lifestyles? Because I love what they stand for. I love being part of a family, part of a crew, where no one like judges, you just accepted, where you get to hang with people, good people that, you know, all love cars and love doing things together.
My name's Marissa. This is Rex, my pumpkin. He's a 2014 WRX. Special edition, orange. Not much besides stock except for the front end. We have just all the black accents have been extra, and the headlights. So we have demon eyes and the halos, and then it's been painted black to take off some of the reflective with an orange reflective in there. And then as far as joining Finessy Lifestyle, just trying to meet some new people, and AJ's been great, so just trying to join in a little bit, I guess.
Alrighty guys, if you guys made it this far in the video, unfortunately it is the end of the video, but thank you guys so much for tuning in on this video. Next week's video, which if you guys don't know, every Monday we have a new video coming out. A little bit of a hint is going to be our travel vlog to get your girl Irene's car out in LA, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys on the next video next week. But today was a success. I hope you guys like the montage that I have given you guys today. And shoot down a comment in the comment section below saying welcome to the new Finessy Lifestyle members. And yeah guys, it is getting in chillier days now and chillier nights. Finessy Lifestyle will be coming out with hoodies. Keep a note though, this will all be made to order, so if you guys like the design once we drop it, don't have a quite date set yet, but once we do, always stay tuned with us. Also on our Finessy Lifestyle Instagram, shown right here. And yeah, so with all that being said guys, like always, I don't even have to say this anymore, but I'm gonna say it again, stay positive and be awesome. Alright guys, peace.